Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last cookout, but no go want miss this. The menu is now out. So people, it's time to choose your favorite meals. How to do so? Send us a DM at Xpressionzja on Instagram, or you can send us a WhatsApp at 1-876-504-8773. Alright, so you guys are having issues finding the different scenes, right? Or should I say episodes? No. Anyway, one I go do, up on YouTube, type in the bartender playlist 2024 or 2023, depends on which one you want to catch up from. Then it's no longer the bartender, it's the agency. Also, alright, so type in the agency playlist 2025. Wait, let me see if I can find it. Alright, so once you're on YouTube, you select the magnifying glass, you type in the bartender playlist. You see 2024, or you can put in 2023. That's not 2023. So right, you put in 2023, it should come up like this. So you have 2023 playlist 2024. For the recent scenes, it's going to be the agency playlist 2025, and this should appear like this. Select the playlist, and then you'll see all the different episodes from when you just started from right to present, right? So that's how you'll find all the scenes, all the episodes that you have missed. That's how you'll find them. That being said, I hope it's clearer now for you guys to find the rest of episodes, and I hope there's no more issue in finding them. But if there is, you know where to find us. So right now, yeah, eat some food because I'm gonna talk.
So people, we're about to start. You pull the neck? You pull the neck, Nana? We'll kick it off like a buck tour. And look out there, Jesus Christ. I ain't saying anything. Let's say, how do you look?
Yeah man, it was a very productive day man.
No, it's
Like it's gonna be a fiery evening.
Jesus Christ.
No one understand what was that just now. I want me and I fight camera fan.
No. No.
So she aware the loss of her she in front of me.
No, I never had trouble you. I never had trouble nobody at all. I just say look who is here.
I have to but that's not good, but that's not. You figured somebody there and I'm a certified crash out.
As me did I say that. I make you crash today.
So people, the director is now explaining why we post the way we do on YouTube and the days and time in which we post. So this is for those who didn't understand.
When we actually upload 20 minutes straight or 25 minutes straight, YouTube explain to us what our watch time is. Like how many persons actually watch it.
Watch it exactly, so people will know when they watch it.
And they tell us that our average watch rate is like 18 minutes. Like people now watch beyond 18 minutes, and some people
don't
15.
watch, and some people don't watch beyond 5.
So we break it up. People, it's just a 15-minute window in between. So we upload at 7, then there's one at 7:15, and then there's one at 7:30, and sometimes 7:45.
Fluffy, you are so correct. Fluffy say the persons who need to hear this, they're on the live.
That is it, and then not even watch back the live.
Paul
So
they might get brought up tonight.
yes, no, tonight is 3, so it will work out to 20 or 21 minutes of content. And when you're in members only, you see the episodes straight. So if it's a 20-minute episode, if it's a 25-minute episode, if it's a 30-minute episode, you see it straight.
Exactly.
But we just attest the people them who really are support the thing.
Members, thank you so much for the persons who just joining into members only. Thank you so much. Our membership has taken its time and it's growing.
Yeah.
I mean, significant.
And membership is $10 US, and that work out to like $1,600 Jamaican monthly, and you're getting content. Sad to say that the vlogs will be moving as well to members only, because our members have to get.
They have to be special. They have to be
forget
special.
some special things.
Yeah,
It's not everything I can give to general population anymore. We have to start treating our members like paying members. People are paying, and the membership is growing. So people are taking it upon themselves to become members.
I mean,
Is it one person?
What? How could I miss this? What are your views?
They have view. I've never seen this before.
You make your own trouble.
So what, Mary?
People, I share an idea. I don't know from them invention there, I don't know say Ashan mark all over it. Cha-cha. Like she tell, she come up with a bright idea. Create your own spoon. I want to see how terrible Shan is. A shiny food that she take on, you know. Chance.
Sean is my food house.
So what you do with shiny food? She tell you she want help. Yo, Shani, you're terrible, you know.
You know what I talk.
Come on, one run good for me.
Yeah, right.